wicked. This is round 3. Round 3, baby. If you're in the line of these storms today, we're going through Pennsylvania at the moment. Please be careful. If you have anything outside, get it in that's loose or bolt it down, because it ain't going to be there long. The highest gust was 67 miles an hour at Allegheny County Airport, which is right over that hill right there. 67 mile an hour. That was about an hour and a half ago, but this band right here is way windier, so I'm sure we got a higher gust out of that. Dang. It is brutal. Didn't lose our power in my neighborhood yet, knock on wood. You see that power line over there is really shaking. Look at that. That's the power to that lady's house. Just blown by the wind. There's 2 old ladies in there. This is craziness. Pure insanity. Look at the sky with all the cool clouds. This wickedness. Mother Nature at her finest, I tell you. Finest. Pittsburgh is right over there. It's actually 8 miles away, but you can see a light at night flickering right between them 2 houses. It's the top of the U.S. Steel building, but unbelievable, man. This wind is brutal. Shaking my bushes. My bushes is shaking. Look at that. I'm blowing me grass all over the place. Be careful, don't break me grass. I like me grass. Wow. I love Mother Nature when she plays like this, but I feel bad for all the people whose property gets destroyed in times of her need to have fun. There's the sun up there, glooming through the thin cloud layer. My God, George, it's very windy. Stay safe, everybody. Looks like a tree broke. It did, look. A broken chunk of the tree right there. I see it. I don't know if I can see it on video. I can see it on the video to tell you. It's right there. Where's my hand at? Right. Oh, you won't see it, but it's right up there. Right where my fingers put right at. Where the branch broke. That tree popped a limb already. That's a limb popper for you. Ah. Wow. Look at that. Just look at that cloud. I don't like the way that thing's down below the cloud deck. There's no rotation though, so that'll be good. You're gonna get no rotation out of it, but it is down below the regular cloud deck and dark. Super windy. Pennsylvania mega windstorm, buddy. Till 8 p.m. tonight. Got 4 hours to go. There's another batch coming. Look at that line right there. That line right there. It's coming right towards me. That's weird. That looks so neat. Let's get a backjacker. Look at that. Look at Mother Nature at her finest. Just look at the pretty paintings she makes. Oh, that's growing. Look at that thing. It's not. Is it turning or not? I don't think it's turning, but it sure don't look too good. It's an ominous looking dark spot in the sky, ain't it? Wow. Look at that. Neato. Just look at the clouds, like they're whispery or whiskey, or I don't know what you'd call it. Look like the end of a broom, kinda, up there. Well, that just looks wicked. There may be some rotation in that thing. Oh no. Look, there's a hole developing in it. Check that out. Holy moly. Right there's a hole in it. Look. Wow. That's getting uglier. That's definitely rotating. That's move. Them clouds are moving in a circle. Starting to. Oh no. They are becoming circular. Look, you can see it becoming circular right on live camera here. Holy bejesus, and that's going south of me. So if you're south of me, south of Pittsburgh, keep an eye in the sky. There's this dark, ugly, gnarly looking thing in the sky. Oh my God. But it seems to be breaking up a little bit. So good. Wow, we watched that live just right there. Pretty cool. The wind shear must be terrible up there. Just ripping it apart. It doesn't develop quick and then suck into it. Mother Nature just rips her down. Look at this thing coming. Mind you, these are all trucking across the sky. Let's look out here real quick. They're trucking across the sky at like 60 plus miles an hour. It's a fast moving storm, man. It's amazing. Like, you couldn't even outrun this on a highway probably. Now, most highways are 65 anyway, but neat. The lines in the sky, really neat. But I don't know. I just like making weather videos. I think they're cool. Watching that right there turn into something and then go away, that was kind of wicked. But yeah, I'll be back later if it gets crazier again. Kind of slowed down, so batch number 4 when the next one comes around. Stay safe, everybody. Look out, Eastern Pennsylvania.